Is it time to buy or sell American Resources stock? In this video, we will explore American Resources in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of April, 2025, our system has ranked American Resources as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 103.18% since we initially recommended purchasing American Resources 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 25.8% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may very well serve as an early signal of a potential trend shift. In the event of a reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the currently broken trend, which stands at 0.584. This level may present a second chance to capitalize on upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of approximately 18.67% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 75.54% and negative 63.19%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of about 28.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 92.09% to negative 36.16% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between 0.102 and 0.82. Our latest daily update for American Resources includes the headline, High Volatility in American Resources Corporation Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $1.29. The American Resources Corporation stock price gained 16.22% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, rising from $1.11 to $1.29. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 57.01%. with a low of $1.07 and a high of $1.68. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 210.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 65 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $83.67 million. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1.68, while the lowest was 38 cents. Currently, the price is 23.21% or 39 cents, below the 52-week high and 90.79%. or $12.71 below the all-time high on the 3rd of December, 2018, when the price reached $14. American Resources Corporation today unveiled a groundbreaking mobile modular leaching solution designed to extract rare earth minerals from coal and mine waste, tapping into the billions of tons of untapped materials globally. This innovative technology, expected to be deployed across the company's extensive 30,000-acre property, presents a significant opportunity to convert environmental liabilities into valuable resources, enhancing the company's positioning in the critical minerals market. This development is especially timely, given China's recent restrictions on the export of critical minerals, which have accelerated demand for domestic sources. The strategic growth opportunities may lead to short-term stock price gains as investor sentiment aligns with increased potential revenue. Additionally, Re-Element Technologies, a key affiliate of American Resources, has secured $150 million in pre-money valuation through recent capital investments. This funding will bolster capital for expanding commercial equipment, further enhancing production capabilities for heavy rare earth elements. Such advancements indicate strong operational growth, providing long-term confidence for investors. The collective impact of these initiatives, particularly in response to domestic mineral independence efforts and increasing demand for defense-related minerals, could significantly uplift AREC stock in the coming quarters, reflecting optimism in a market increasingly focused on sustainable resource solutions. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of June, 2024, it was reported that E.F. Hutton assigned AREC a buy grade along with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 29th of June, 2023, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also rated AREC with a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned American Resources stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for American Resources. The American Resources Corporation stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around 72.5 cents and 55.5 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was established from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and to date, the stock has increased by 219.86%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is reached. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined on the last trading day despite rising prices. This discrepancy between volume and price might serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 50 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages registered a buy signal from 65 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for American Resources. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.11. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases as a drop below the support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is prone to considerable daily movements or volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 610 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a change of 57.01%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 51.99%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for American Resources, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for American Resources. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, American Resources encounters its first support level at $1.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for American Resources from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 19th of July, 2024, when Golden Properties Limited executed an insider sale of 800,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stock loss is set at $1.25, reflecting a decrease of 2.76%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 87, substantially heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is American Resources stock a good buy? American Resources Corporation displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, either to hold or accumulate while further developments are awaited. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we anticipate that American Resources will open higher by approximately 5.67 cents, starting the day at $1.35. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.